Nothing. The lady come take the camera, come take a picture of it. Find on NIS. Take me name, take me age, 75-year-old. And nothing, so me no get, not even food.
Lord have mercy, it's very rough, Brother Mark.
The shelter not really up to standard, you know, and we catch cold and the water system kind of terrible because if rain not fall, we have to go to a spring, by the spring to get water and it's kind of hard to come up the hill too. We have to pay money to carry up the water and then when we carry up the water again, we have to still pay money to carry it down off the way yard, so kind of terrible too. My daughter actually every week she catch cold, so.
A few months ago, Hurricane Melissa changed the lives of many families here in Lefthall, Beeston Spring, Westmoreland. I was one of the first persons to visit the community to share what transpired. Total devastation, total devastation. And since then we brought a lot of relief items, you know, plywood, zinc, lanterns, even had some sessions. We had birth certificates, applications, passport applications and so on, you know. But through it all, something remarkable happened. People started to reach out. People who have never been to Lefthall, people who have never heard of the community, don't have a clue where the community is, started reaching out. And I want to take the opportunity to salute a few of them right now. Dr. Judith Johnson, Owen Wilson, the Felipe's family, the Patterson family, my own family, extended family in the US, a whole bunch of other people, Cecile, Shelly B and her mom, and those persons who came on board to help. I want to say thank you. Thank you. But the calls continued because there are still persons, even with some of the relief that had been going on and even with the government programs, you know, there are a lot of people who were still not touched. And I've been getting the calls. Today, thanks to the help of Dr. Johnson, I am in the community to help 3 persons. We're going to see how much you can stretch, but particularly 3 persons who had reached out to me in particular that they really needed help. Today, we're going to try and help them. Zinc and plywood. We're hoping we can help to make a difference. Stay with me. This is what is left of the home of our first recipient. We call him Uncle Mike. As you can see, no real change. No real change since the hurricane. There's a bed over there and stuff. I'm gonna be talking to him now. Yeah, he's gonna be getting the stuff we brought for him. He's one of them who reached out to me. I'm gonna be talking to him. Talking to him now. Alright guys, and we have our first recipient, Uncle Mike. Uncle Mike, we just took off the zinc and ply off the truck and left it over there. I wanted to talk to you just a little bit, man, to find out what happened during the Melissa. This is your house?
Yes.
Or what is left of it? Eh?
Everything mash up out of it. The furniture, everything mashed down. You see only with them, like where drop a ground. See top gone. Only side and then me pull up and put this up. Everything gone. Furniture, every garden, everything, Mr. Girl. Nothing. Nothing.
You were in there?
Yes, and me got me job. If I need the breeze, I blow the door. And me brace the door and the house come down for me and me have to screech. When time me come out, the whole of the ribs are space swell. I don't get some run go.
Oh, and shelter. Oh, okay. How things have been since the hurricane? 7 months now.
All right, and nothing. The lady come take the camera, come take a picture of it. And I NIS. Take me name, take me age, 75-year-old. Nothing so me no get, not even food. And you me no know if you sleep up here. Me have to down where Miss Marcy there, so you know.
I don't know. That's where Ken live?
No. Down where you turn in, if you come by here, you see another house against Miss Barton there, so.
Oh yes.
I just give me a lady, give me a little rescue. My Tracy sister too, you see me? I have him also employed, but God help him, he put her on the back. And then get a help.
Well, we got thanks to a friend of mine, Dr. Judith Johnson.
God bless her.
Yeah, man, God bless her. She was one of them who was instrumental in helping you get these stuff.
Sister.
So you can, I don't know if you want to say something to her.
Yeah, man. I would like to thank you, Mama. Yeah. God bless you, and keep your strength and your energy and your good mind what you have in you to keep you flourish this world. And you are the part of generation, and you see that you have love for the generation of the people. So continue, Mommy, and give thanks to you. And we can't thank you no more, but we give thanks to what you're doing for the nation right now. And you're the enemy has to do it.
No.
And God put it in you to do it. So thank you, Mommy, and God bless you and bless your family. Everyone who there around you, and who know there around you. God bless everyone said here. So thank you, Miss
Johnson.
Miss Johnson.
What kept, with all of this, Uncle Mike, what kept you through?
It's tribulation.
Tribulation. What kept you through?
Faith of God. Faith of the Almighty God. Believe me. And you know, say, from youth, you know me as an elder. No war.
Yeah.
No eruption between people. I love and unity me I deal with. See, so to feel me mind when me have, a godly love me travel with. So me say, if the government even help me, God I go speak to people.
Yeah.
If you give me a little help.
Yeah.
And see it. Give thanks and praises to Miss Johnson.
Yeah.
And you,
yeah.
me, God's son.
Yeah, man. God bless you.
I always tell him say either be a barrister or a doctor. But you see this nice little running head back here? You say, ask him how many times say either a doctor or a barrister.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. It's a blessing. He's an elder in the community, guys, and somebody who I respect as well. So it's a joy to be able to reach out, to be able to rally around. So when you call, when I get the call that you needed the help, it was a no-brainer. It's just a matter of, the persons who rally around, to get them to buy in and to get their support, So all the best. I will give thanks, man. I hope hopefully it's a start.
Yeah.
It's a start. You can get something back over your head until you get back yourself together properly, It's gonna take some time, but
all one them there, you have to go use enough of them start me back and give thanks and praises.
All right.
God bless you, my brother.
All the best, man.
All the good family.
Yes. All right. All right, Uncle Mike. And this, guys, is Tracy Ann. Some of you would have seen her from the first video, the devastation video. She was the one sitting on the veranda, holding the baby, sharing her experience. I think she might have shared her experience. I'll allow her if she wanted to talk about that, if she wished to. But she's the second person we're going to be giving some of the plywood and zinc now to help her to make a start. So I'm going to ask her just a couple of questions. I'm almost said Melissa. Tracy Ann, did you mind tell us a little bit about what was it like? What was that like?
It was hard because
stressful.
we did that with my grandmother, my mother, and you have my mother house, we run over my grandmother house. When my lucky house gone, I go live with me. So we have to try to get out of that and try to go back over my mother house because our house never blow down yet. So we have to go back over there with me and my grandmother and my grandfather and my brother and my sister. And my little sister was sick, so I'm my daughter and my son. So when we go back over my mother's house now, the house stopped blow off, so we have to go under the bed. Then when we look again, every part of the house gone. So we under the bed, the mattress gone. So we have to just try to get up and run. So when we try to get up and run, we couldn't see nowhere because it breathes it terrible. I may have to kneel down in the ground and have my baby under my shirt. That time my brother have me son with my son and my next brother, my mother did have her and my grandmother with them. So so we couldn't hardly move. So we just have to just hitch up on the one little rock stone until the breeze kind of calm down. Yeah, so I did that with my daughter and through rain a beat her and everybody rain a beat. One night time she did that, she stopped blow. You have to just try, take out the cry water out her nose and then here she start cry back again. You have to say to my mother, one night time I did that, the same thing you have to say to my mother, say my baby gone. So after a while she start blowing something. That time she does have to lay down there with fear her mother, my grandmother. Yeah, but after a while, I don't know if I did a pass her well. Yeah, and it start calm down. But one night time I noticed the breeze is okay where my sister and my little brother. Yeah, so my brother have to run off and my little brother have to catch him back.
What do you mean that came away? Like
he breeze showing liquor, the breeze came where like came going a gully way.
Oh Lord.
Yeah.
These are real experiences, guys.
Yeah, it was.
You had to endure.
It was terrible.
Since Melissa, what has been the most challenging part for you since over the last 7 months, though?
Well, I don't say it's shelter because the shelter not really up to standard, you know, and we catch cold and the water system kind of terrible because if rain not fall, we have to go to a spring, by the spring to get water and it kind of hard to come up the hill too. You have to pay money to carry up the water and then when we carry up the water again, we have to still pay money to carry it down after we yard, so kind of terrible too. And through the road not so good again, taxi then afraid to go up there.
That's another story.
Yeah.
But we give thanks for people like Dr. Johnson who came on board, who, you know, have a heart for people.
That's true.
And she came on board and I told her that you were one of them who reached out to me and she said, identify the persons and, you know, let's do something. We're not able to do for everybody, but you were one of the persons who was singled out to help and we give thanks. What does this assistant mean for you though? No.
Well,
you're getting 10 sheet of ply and 10 sheet of zinc as a starter.
That it mean a lot to me. It mean very much to me, a lot. Because my daughter actually every week she catch cold. So at least me know me have one comfortable place for them and all.
Even if it's a walk one room.
Even if I look one room, I'm still grateful.
How old is she?
She's just one. She just won 5 of this month and we say last week Thursday. Yeah. And my son are just 6.
What gives you hope today, Tracy?
Well, you know, say people still can assist me and Father God not give up on we nor people not give up on we either. Yes. So it still give me hope to say we can still go on and start try something for myself and try. It's kind of hard, you know, if you experience certain things, but it just helpful and know so me have hope, you know, every little way.
All right, give thanks.
Yeah.
All right, take care. It's a start.
Yes, and I thank Miss Johnson, Judith.
All right, this is Tracy and guys, one of the recipient of a few more relief items today. Still in great need.
Yes.
We wish her all the best and to the love and prayers for her and the rest of the community.
Yes, thank you.
This is Darnet, guys, Auntie Darnet, the third recipient of this particular distribution. I wanted to ask you, Darnet, what was it like? What was it like during the hurricane?
Lord, it was very terrible, sir. Very. Everything flat, everything during this me wasn't there up for me did move up because me know say the house never up to date and me I tell you say if I to a board house but everything get flat. Everything, nothing me no save nothing at all. Nothing, no furniture, nothing at all.
No furniture, bed,
no bed, nothing. It just flat as dirt. Flat down. Yes, that happened.
7 months approximately gone since. How has things been for you?
Lord have mercy, it's very rough, Brother Mark. Very rough. For to me have to go, me did have to leave out and they down in a Sav area. So when all the assistant then come, you know, nobody forget anything. So me no get nothing at all. Nothing. Everything. We don't get nothing.
So no can't make any starter. So that's so actually you're So guys, she's actually staying. You're staying with your daughter in South.
Yes, I'm staying at Anwa is a rent house.
Rent house. So she.
Yes.
So she. I just want to say I appreciate it. So I call you.
Yes.
You had reached out to me.
Yes.
Because you needed you know you really needed something to get a start, and
Yes.
you made the arrangement to leave South to come up here early this morning, just to accommodate, to facilitate what we're trying to do.
Yes.
And I appreciate it.
Yes, and I really appreciate what you are doing, Brother Mark. Respect all over.
To God be the glory.
To God be the glory.
There's a lady, I keep bigging her up. This particular trip, there's a lot of people who helped me along the way. I mentioned some of them guys, but this particular trip, Dr. Johnson, a friend of mine, she was one of them who was instrumental in helping to make this trip possible. Make your little initiative, intervention possible, Auntie Darnet.
Yes.
Anything you want to say to her?
Yes, I am very thankful and I appreciate everything that you have done, Dr. Johnson. Is that it?
Yeah.
Dr. Johnson.
Yeah.
And I'm glad to know that the Lord has made a way for us, that you could really assist me with whatever I have to receive. And I am very grateful and thankful for what you have done.
Yeah. I actually there's a question I wanted to ask. So what does this mean for you today? What does this little, and so we're gonna give you 10 sheet of ply, 10 sheet of zinc as a starter.
Yes.
What does it mean? What would that mean for you?
Well, I really appreciate the 10 sheet and because it will help me to go far. You know,
Yeah.
it will not really.
Yes.
But I appreciate the little help what I get.
It's a start.
Yes, it's a big start for me.
It's a start.
Yes, it's a start for me.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Well, I wish you well. I know my community online is, always supportive and, praying for the community.
Yes.
I know that for a fact. I know a
Yes.
number of them have actually reached out to me. They wish you well, and I wish you well, and I hope that, as again, this is a start, and hopefully, as things progress, time progress, things will get better, quicker,
I never know said this would have come up because when I reach out to Brother Mark here, I never know that he did very interested to reach out for help me. So when I hear he called me and me really, really couldn't believe. But because I was praying, always praying and I said, Father God, help me if me can't get for bill back because through the house bash down and so forth. And me no have me no got it. You know when you build a place and you don't expect what would have happened. So we would have reached that far.
Yeah.
It give you a big lick, man.
Yeah,
I tell you, it stressed me out through that. And no, me not go look on me place up there because the children them say exactly, and it's like me no want to get one kind of heart attack in that farm away. So that's the reason why me don't go and see it. No, me don't see it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Guys, it's one of the things I said. I'm going to ask, I will continue to ask you to keep the community, keep the individuals in your prayer because there's still a lot of trauma.
Yes.
And a lot of people probably don't realize that person is still hurting from the incident. So keep us in your prayers. And whatever help we can get, you can get the support.
Yes.
It's still welcome. And not just financial or material.
Yes.
But even counseling and stuff like that, whatever help we can get, we welcome that as well, because you heard from Auntie Darnet that, it's still going through a process.
Yes.
7 months after,
Yes.
All right. All the best.
All the best, and I'm happy.
Take a picture.
I'm really happy.
This is Kenish, guys. He's one of the persons that we're trying to reach out to. We're not able to give Kenish. We're giving you 5 sheet of ply.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cause you haven't, since the hurricane, you haven't had any help.
No.
Yeah. So we're hoping it's a start. It's not a lot, but it's a start. How are you managing since the hurricane though?
Rough, man.
Yeah. Where's staying?
Stay with brother.
Yeah. And you don't get no assistance and nobody?
No.
Yeah. Alright. So what will this do for you though?
You can start.
Yeah, start.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Alright. This Kenish, guys. Wish him well. Keep him in your prayers same way. Alright? Alright, Kenish. So one more thing, guys. This box here was actually sent to me from Darby, a friend of mine. in the US. She sent it to me. I got it cleared. God bless her. Dorothy is actually one of my followers, but she's actually, I didn't even realize that Dorothy was a big woman. Dorothy is over 80 years old. Dorothy, if you're hearing, big up. Dorothy's Jamaican as well, living in the US, and Dorothy sent this. What I admire more about Dorothy than anything though, Dorothy has been reaching out to me from the hurricane hit. She wasn't too much into the complications of the shipping and all of those stuff. Eventually she got her stuff. She said she sent it in January, I think. I just got it. It's a little box with some clothes and stuff. I want to big her up again. I'm just gonna give it to, just gonna put it out here and have the community members, choose what they want. So big up Dorothy again for this effort. I'm actually up in the middle of Left Hall now. All right. That's it, guys. Months ago, Left Hall, Beeston Spring became known because of the devastation. Today though, I see something different. I see more than just survival. I see determination. I see resilience. I see neighbors helping neighbors. I see people caring for people. People from all over the world who have no idea where Left Hall or Beeston Spring is came together to help. And it just goes to show what can happen when we care about each other. Again, thanks to all the amazing folks who came on board to help to make not just this trip, but the trips before possible. I mentioned their names so many times, they know themselves. Thank you so much. The work continues though. The rebuilding continues. If you are inclined to help, you can do so via my GoFundMe campaign. There's a link in the description. You can support the work of the My-Island-Jamaica Foundation as well, link in the description, or just reach out to me directly. In fact, good time to tell you as well, to share with you that we have actually started, we encourage the community to form a CBO, a community organization that will help to strengthen them to build their capacity as well. We're working together on that, more to come on that. But thank you again once more. Thank you for being part of the journey, and thank you for helping bring hope to the hills of Left Hall in Beeston Spring. God bless you.